Hi guys, hope you're doing well, and quite an exciting day today. The wall is finally being sorted out, and it really needed to be because it was on the verge of going over. Well, it still is because they haven't finished it yet. And I'd like your opinions, especially if you have any building expertise, because I can't change a light bulb. I don't know exactly what's going on. It sounds great, this idea, almost too good to be true, to be honest. You're going to meet Mr. Wichan, my builder, who built this place. Bit of a character, only drinks single malt. Doesn't drink any of that Johnny Walker rubbish, apparently, according to him. So, yeah, we're going to pop round and you can meet him and see what he's got planned for fixing the Leaning Wall of Thailand. Here they are. So we're digging holes. Hello, Mr. Wichan. So we put the post in here.
Yeah.
Put the sling. So we're going to have the metal sling here. And then connect this, and every 10 days, tighten it. Okay. So every took 10 วัน took 20 วัน 20 วัน. So we get the screwdriver and jump, and the wall lower is going to come back.
Yeah.
All right. If this works, you're getting a bottle of whiskey.
And it's really good.
All right. Okay. We'll try it. So I thought they were just going to put the posts in just to hold the wall, but we're actually going to bring the wall back. So yeah, my builder is full of surprises. If this works, and we're basically just going to, on a pulley system, pull the wall back over a period of a few months. I don't, he did some amazing things on my house. Great ideas, so yeah, we'll see what happens. It's quite exciting actually. So in total we're doing 10 posts along here. My worry is that when it gets pulled back, those posts are just going to break. I don't know. But the whole thing is, it's 1,000 baht a post, so it's only costing a couple of £100. So if we can get this done, if it can pull back that wall, he's getting a bottle of single malt. Okay, we've got the stones arriving. Don't need to tam concrete, eh? Concrete, okay, no? So we've got the concrete put in here. Alright. อีก 5 วัน okay. Tam sling. I'm very interested สนใจมากๆอันนี้ต้นเด่นหน่อยนะ ไม่ต้นเช้าไม่เข้าใจนะคิดว่าช่างWichanทำอะไรไม่รู้
รู้ยัง
รู้แล้วความคิดดี So they're just finishing up.
ถ้าเกิน10 นาทีต้องโทรใหม่
See, my little brain thinks that when we pull the sling or tighten the sling, that these posts will actually move. The wall is supposed to move towards this, but he's a clever guy, a very clever guy. We'll see. There you go. So another 5 days. 5 วันนะ5 วันจะแห้งเสร็จแล้วเหรอเสร็จแล้ววันนี้เสร็จแล้วโอเคนะครับต้นนี้สูงมากนะ
อะไรละอายุ17ไปอังกฤษบ่อยไหม
ใช่ทุกปีก่อนปีนี้ไม่ได้
โควิดเหรอ
ใช่คิดถึงชอบเล่นกับเพื่อนมีเพื่อนที่อังกฤษด้วยนะ
ที่อังกฤษ
ใช่ There they go. So they'll be back in 5 days.
The next morning.
Right, it's the following day, and yeah, the concrete looks already set. Yeah, I was thinking about my concerns yesterday, my 2 concerns, and it could be that the downward force, the downward angle of the cable, the force of that, or the different forces that creates will bring the wall back. But yeah, my physics wasn't that hot at school, and I'm certainly not an engineer, so yeah, it'd be interesting to see if this actually gets sorted. I'm sort of 50-50 on it at the moment. So yeah, quite a cold one today, and yeah, just to clear up a few things before I get caned in the comments. The trees, most people think the problem is caused by the trees. Well, they could be right, but I did do my homework. I've got trees along the front wall that are the same, and I got the idea from some buildings, public buildings, banks that have the same trees even closer to the wall with no issues. So we have been trying to get this sorted out for the past sort of 6 to 9 months. We've had about 3 or 4 different people come. They either haven't had the time to do it, or they just didn't quite know what to do. One guy wanted to take all the trees down, another guy wanted to rebuild the whole wall. So yeah, if Mr. Wicharn can pull this off, as I said in the video, he's getting a nice bottle of single malt.
1 week later.
A friendly welcome from Harry. So this is the metal cable. So these are the things that I believe are going to be joined on here. I'm still not sure how they're going to attach it, but magic.
เรียกว่าเกลียวเร่ง
Keoling.
เกลียว
Keoling. Okay.
เกลียวอันนี้
Any Cleo.
ไอ้คลอนเกลียว
Cleo. Any ling.
เร่ง
Keoling. Okay. So basically, how this is going to work, once it's attached to the hook and the cable, it will be to here, and then every 20 days I need to tighten them until it gets down to the bottom, and that's going to bring the wall back, hopefully. So they made the holes here, which I presume the cable will go through. So this one's finished. So this is going to go into here.
เอาไปร้อยโอเค
All right. There we go. There's a cable attached to the post or footing, whatever you want to call it.
พอไม่ถึงนะ
And they're going to bring it back through the other hole. Tam died, huh? Okay.
กุญแจตัวนั้นมา
Just adjusting it so there's enough torque on it.
ใส่ในกลาง
Getting it nice and tight. I think this is what I've got to do every 20 days.
Can you check
That's pretty tight. So we're about halfway there. It doesn't look too unsightly. I can just put some little shrubs in to cover up the cables. So yeah, it's all looking good. And I've got to adjust. I might need Wicharn's help. So once it gets down to here, to the full, well, it's about an inch that the wall's going to come back, I then need to adjust this cable and then start the process again until the wall is straight. So yeah. Mr. Wicharn, koi tam mai? Mai koi tam? Koi tam? Koi, okay.
เคย
Mai koi hin. Mai koi hin.
ดินมันอ่อน
Chai.
ดินอ่อนแทน
So, fontok, and the wall should come back a bit. Chai.
แทนดู
Donny din keng.
ดินแข็ง
Din keng. Chai. Mai dai. ดีใจรัวไม่พัง มีหมดไหม
มีมดไหม
I'm getting it nice and tight. When they hear that little creaking sound means it's tight enough.
ถ้าเป็นหน้าฝนจะมานั้น
มา
Okay, so
ถ้ามีน้ำมา
okay.
ถ้าฝนตกก็เรื่อย
ถ้าตอนนี้เหมือนคอนกรีต
ๆ
ดินเก่งมากนะ
ดินไม่แข็ง
เก่งมากครับคุณมากครับ
ครับขอบคุณครับ
So it's all done, and I'm feeling a lot more confident about it. And as Mr. Wicharn said, in the rainy season, when the soil is soft, it should pull the wall back. It looks a little bit unsightly, but I've just covered up this one a little bit. They'll be covered up with some climbers or something, so I won't actually see the cables. in the future. So yeah, I'm very happy for a couple of £100. I'm just glad that I'm not going to have to wake up in the morning and check to see if the wall's gone over. Another job done. Well, I'm a happy boy. Yeah, last week I really didn't know quite how this was going to work out, but after seeing it all in action today and speaking to Wichan more, yeah, I'm more confident. And as he said, when the rains come in May and the soil softens, it is like concrete now. We should get some movement in that wall, hopefully. I don't know, we'll see. I'm still open on that. So yeah, will be an update in the rainy season. And thank you, Mr. Wichan, for coming out, because I know he was busy, and not just for doing the wall, but also for building this house that we've lived in for the last 17, 18 years. We've had some great times here. And on that note, it's time for Phrase of the Day. Yay! Okay, welcome to Phrase of the Day. And last week you might have heard me say this. Now, at the very beginning of that sentence, I used kit or kitwa, which means to think. Now, we're going to use that in a very simple phrase. Today, I think it's going to rain. So that would be Wani kitwa phonจะตก. Is that correct?
วันนี้คิดว่าฝนจะตก
Oh, not too bad. Wani is today, kit is to think, the wa is actually a link word, fon is rain, ja is going to, and tok is fall. Now, one of the easier things about the Thai language, there really aren't that many tenses compared to English. So if you were to say, yesterday I thought it was going to rain, it would be Muan kitwa phon จะตก.
เมื่อวานคิดว่าฝนจะตก
Not too bad. So by using yesterday, I mean, the phrases are identical apart from, today and yesterday. You've put that phrase into the past tense. You're not messing around like you do in English with past perfect, past continuous and all that sort of stuff. Now, another little tip that I've gone over before is memory recognition, where you use words from your own language or images to actually jog your memory and learn more vocabulary. Now, with kit, which is to think, I think of the actual computer that was in the Knight Rider car in the 80s, that sitcom or soap opera. So, and I did it today, actually. I did it in the video with the jazz singer, Cleo Lane. So every time I see one of those metal things, I forgot the name of them, I will always think of her, and it will just spark, Cleo Lane. It's not Cleo Lane, obviously, but Cleo Lane. You can see how you can develop your vocabulary. That's the way I do it anyway. And yeah, it might be useful to you. Okay, quick news update. As of today, Friday the 8th of January, there are 205 new cases, down from 305 yesterday. So that initial spike after all the travelling throughout New Year seems to be on the decline, which is good news. Also, in the last video, I did say that the Thai government were banning or stopping British travellers coming into Thailand because of the new COVID strain that's kicking off there. Apparently, there's a kind of U-turn on this, and British travellers will just have to undergo the normal quarantine, as of a news report by The Nation. So I would contact your local Thai embassy and just try and get more clarity on that situation. Anyway, I've got my hands full. I had my pressure washer turn up a few days ago. I've been busy with that. And on that note, I say stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.